Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to automate lead generation with AI Assistant for real estate via WhatsApp. So if you run a real estate agency, then manually generating all the leads can be a very time-consuming process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create an AI agent which will generate leads and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing AI assistant, then let me take you to my screen. This is the real estate AI assistant that we have created to generate leads with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this AI assistant, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. And here we have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. And to activate the AI assistant, the user is supposed to send a message. So here I've sent a general message like hello. And as soon as the message gets delivered, our AI assistant responds us with, "Hello, how can I assist you today? If you have any questions about real estate or need help with property listings, feel free to ask." So I'm going to ask, "Please show property listing with dummy links." I'm going to send it. And our AI assistant responds us with, "Here are some sample property listings. Luxury 3 BHK apartment with given location, price and amenities and with a clickable link towards the property. Next up, we have 2 BHK affordable housing with location, pricing, amenities and clickable link. If you need more information or have any specific property in mind, just let me know." So here I'm responding with, "I prefer luxury 3 BHK apartment." And it responds me with, "Great choice. The luxury 3 BHK apartment is located in downtown city center and offers fascinating amenities. To proceed, could you please provide the following information as full name, email address, contact number, any specific preference?" So I'm going to send all of these details. And here it responds me with, "Thank you for providing your details, demo user. Here's a summary for your preference, property, location and amenities. I'll pass the information along to our team. They will reach out to you shortly to confirm details and help schedule a viewing. If you have any queries or need any further assistance, feel free to ask." So I'm going to ask, "What are the financing options?" And our AI assistant responds us with, "We offer several financing options to help you with your property purchase, such as home loans, flexible EMI plans, bank tie-ups." Next up, I'm going to ask about home tour. And it responds me with, "You can definitely schedule a home tour for a luxury 3 BHK apartment. To book viewing, please let me know your preferred date and time for visit. Once I have information, I'll arrange it for you." So here I'm going to send my preferred date and time. And it says, "Thank you for your preferred date and time for our home tour." And it has provided our preferred date and time. I'll pass the information to our team to confirm your viewing appointment. They will get back to you shortly with details. If you have any other questions or need assistance in meantime, feel free to ask. So lastly, I'm going to ask it, "I want to initiate property transactions." And here it says, "To initiate property transaction, we need to gather some additional information from you. Please provide the following details." And here it is asking for details. And once I have this information, I can assist further with the process. So I'm going to respond with all the details. And I'm going to send it. And here it responds me with, "Thank you, demo user. Here's a summary for your request to initiate property transaction for buying. Full name, email address, preferences is buying. I'll pass this information to our team to initiate transaction for you. They will get in touch soon to guide you through the next steps. If you have any other question or need further assistance, feel free to ask." So this was our AI assistant for real estate agency that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you also want to create this AI assistant, then we have to visit Pabbly Chatflow's website, and for that, open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow, and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. But before we begin, Let me introduce you to Pabbly community. This is our official Pabbly community. Here you can get exclusive access to real-time updates, helpful resources and support from your team and fellow users. Here you can share ideas, ask questions and even discover latest features and tips using Pabbly applications. Here you can get real-time updates, connect with industry experts and even ask questions and share valuable feedback. So join Pabbly community today. Now we can go back to main landing page. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. And it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now to create an AI assistant, access the AI assistant feature from here. And then to create a new AI assistant, simply click on Add AI Assistant. Here you have to provide name for your AI assistant. I'm going to name it as Real Estate AI Assistant. I'm simply going to add the AI assistant and it will redirect us to this page. Here, first we have to add the instruction types. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the instruction type. Select one as per your needs. I'm going to select AI agent and then it provides us roles and primary functions as well as constraints. Now I'm going to move ahead with AI configuration in which we are supposed to set the temperature. Here it says 0 means more focused and 1 means more creative. So from here we can enhance or decrease the creativity level. So I'm going to enhance it to 0.9. Now we have to select AI to use. I'm going to select OpenAI and here I'm going to select the model as GPT 4.0 mini. Here we have to provide API key token. To generate it, we have to visit OpenAI API keys page. When you click on it, you will be redirected towards this API keys page. And here you will get a list of all the previously created API keys. To generate a new one, simply click on Create New Secret Key. Here you have to provide name of your AI assistant like this and I'm going to leave the project settings as default. I'm going to click on Create Secret Key. And here I'm going to copy the secret key and paste it as my API key token. Like this. Here it says OpenAI key saved successfully and here I'm going to set the AI assistant settings. If you want to provide a header message, you can enable this toggle and provide your header message here. Similarly, you can provide a footer message, stop keywords which can stop the AI assistant from responding and retry attempts. I'm going to leave them all disabled and here we get a default fallback message. You can customize it as per your needs. Now, we are going to move ahead for knowledge source. Here you have to upload a knowledge source file. This is a very important aspect as your AI assistant will be responding according to this knowledge source only. Make sure it has all the necessary information for your real estate agency. And make sure that it is not more than 90 MB and it is in TXT format. Now I'm going to upload my knowledge source file here. Here I have uploaded my knowledge source file and it appears here after being updated. It says file uploaded and processed successfully. So I'm going to move ahead with assistant interface. Here you have to first provide header display heading name. So I'm going to name it as real estate. It will appear here to the user. Next we have header display subheading name as we are online and happy to assist you. You can customize it if you want. As we are online and here to assist you, it will appear here. Next we have initial message which will be provided by the AI assistant. If you want to add another initial message, you can type your initial message here and to register it simply press enter and your initial message will be added. I'm going to remove it and next it says display the powered by Pabbly label. Here you can see it displays the powered by Pabbly label. If you want to disable it, simply click on disable and you can see it has stopped displaying the powered by Pabbly label. Next up we have privacy policy. If you want to add your own real estate privacy policy, you can add it here and you can add your footer link for your privacy policy here. Lastly, we have first message of the user. This is the message which will activate the chatbot once sent by the user. So I'm going to change it with a simple hello. Now whenever the user sends us a hello, our AI assistant will be activated. Next up, we have styling. From here, we can customize the visual appearance of our AI assistant. So you can change the theme from light to dark and the dark theme will appear like this to the user. I'm going to change it back to light and from here you can change assistant shape from circle to square or rounded square. You can even change assistant background color. From here you can drag and change the color as per your needs. You can even change the assistant text color, background color, or WhatsApp button color, primary chat bubble background color or primary chat bubble text color, footer background color or footer text color. Lastly, you can change header profile picture which appears here and you can even change assistant profile picture which appears here and you can even change the background. And like this, you can customize or modify the whole visual appearance as per your needs. Lastly, you have to enable this toggle which will make your AI assistant activated and fully functional. And once you're done with all the customizations and modifications, you can save your AI assistant from here. And once your AI assistant is saved successfully, you are good to go. You can follow this procedure for creating your own AI assistant. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.